Good morning, everybody. This is Katja from Katja Home Properties, and today we are back at one of my favorite places in the earth, at the condominium complex that is called Haixa. We are about 45 minutes drive from the Puerto Vallarta airport, super close, in about 5 minutes away from Punta de Mita, in the area that is called Litibu. And Haixa is here. It's a hidden condominium complex behind the gated community that it has its own private golf course. It has the Conrad Hotel and everything that you can dream about. And this particular place is insane. Come with me. So as I'm walking, and you can see there are pools all over the places. Smaller ones, the bigger one, kids' places, all these common areas in the middle of the jungle, steps away from the ocean. So let's keep going. At the back, a couple of meters away, this is where you find a Temazcal place and the yoga club and the gym. I don't think there are too many charmier places in the world than that. So we sold a 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit here, I think in December, and currently there is nothing available in the market in this complex. You also have to know that there are 2 pre-construction towers that are going to come up real soon with much higher prices than this. So come with me, we're walking towards another common area at the entrance and the lobby. 24-hour security there, parking, in-house administration, property management, concierge, and I am going to show you this insanely beautiful unit now. Come with me. Okay, so make sure you join me. Let me show you around. Come on in. I'm gonna have to close this because we have such an amazing breeze here that, as you can see, my hair is blowing all over the places. So we have half a bathroom there, right behind the entrance. We have the master here, the 2 other bedrooms there, and come with me. So look at this wraparound balcony. I mean, it's so huge, you can even dance here if you wanted to, okay? That little bedroom there is connected with this balcony. We're gonna see it from the other side. So make sure you join me and don't go anywhere because this place just keeps giving and giving. So, look at this furniture. I mean, I love this tropical, kind of have this Italian feeling here. Everything ready, everything is very elegant. All these candles make this place super beautiful. So let's start with the kitchen. So we have this marble countertops, dishwasher, all grill, microwave, oven, everything ready to go. Fridge from here. Let's keep going and have a look at all these details that we have here. So we have a small laundry room, and if the balcony wasn't enough, we have another small terrace here. This connects the master bedrooms. So coming in here, this is the master. It's so elegant and beautiful. I think the huge difference is the high ceilings what we have here. With all this light, green all over the place, the small balcony, flowers and everything. Yeah, let's go and show it. Okay, so here we are overlooking to the ocean and to the pool area and some of the common areas here. But this is like insane with this palmeras and green and everything that you've got. So, you have a bathtub here, a shower, a baño. This is your closet. And I'm walking to the second bedroom. Bathroom, shower. Again, the ceilings. And this is the balcony that connects with the wraparound one. And this place comes furnished. And I think with everything that you see here, I mean, there are some details, really beautiful details here that it's really worth to look at. They made this place with amazing taste, ready for you to go. I mean, even here, and this is the third bedroom, which could be also be a second master if you look at the size. And I just love this green. And of course, another balcony. I love the fact that every single bedroom has its own balcony. This one overlooking to the mountains. And this unit has a huge bathroom, shower, baño, bathtub, and an enormous, a huge balcony, a huge closet place. So, going back again. Look at all these details. Please make sure you have a last view from this angle to the pool, the amenities, and from here you can see the montañas, the jungle, the ocean, everything. This complex has the Conrad Resort, a huge golf course, Higuera Banca golf course, everything. You are in a couple of minutes away from Punta de Mita, with its hospital, with its famous restaurants and amazing places. And you are in about 45 minutes away from the Puerto Vallarta airport. So once again, we have 3,200 square foot here, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and this place is currently on the market for $529,500. So make sure you give me a call. I would love to take you here and show you around. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Ciao.